Chicken marsala is the marriage of thin chicken cutlets and a rich, savory sauce made with marsala wine and mushrooms. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about chicken. We're making an old classic dish called chicken marsala. Let's get started. Chicken marsala. Now, I first had this dish when I was a kid in a diner here in New Jersey, and I was hooked. Tender chicken, a rich sauce with mushrooms, one of my favorite things. How can you go wrong with that? I have here a large saute pan that I have heating over medium-high heat. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, a couple tablespoons. Now here I have chicken. Now this recipe calls for 2 pounds, around 900 grams of thin chicken cutlets. You can buy them already cut, or you can do like I did and just cut down some boneless, skinless chicken breasts yourself. And this is what I have. Now you'll get probably 6 or 8 cutlets in 2 pounds. I'm just going to do 4 today. First thing I want to do is salt and pepper both sides of this chicken. We want to give it flavor. And side 2. All right, my oil is getting nice and hot. So we're going to just dredge these cutlets lightly in some all-purpose flour. This is going to give a tiny bit of a crust on the chicken, but really it's also going to help give some flavor and thicken the sauce later, but just lightly. There we go. Now you don't have to have that big sizzle like you're expecting when you deep fry something, because these are very thin. They're going to cook pretty quickly. And we really just want to fry them lightly, maybe 2 or 3 minutes on each side the most, until they're nice and golden. It will go quickly, and you don't want to overcook them. All right, my chicken cutlets are ready. Now, if you look and see, they're very light golden, and that's what we want, just a light fry on them. They are cooked all the way through because they're so thin. Now, I got myself a nice clean plate, so I'm not putting this back on a plate that had raw chicken. All right, I'm going to lower the heat a bit. Now we're going to add some butter. I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I don't want it to burn, so that's why I lowered the heat. To that, we're going to add some shallots. This is 1 shallot that I finely diced. What's a shallot? Shallot is a member of the onion family, and its flavor is kind of a cross between onion and garlic. It's very lovely in sauces and dressings like this. Now, chicken marsala is made with mushrooms. That's the next ingredient. I have here 10 ounces, or about 280 grams, of sliced mushrooms. I'm using cremini today, but you could use white button mushrooms, shiitakes, whatever you like. Right in our pan. I'm going to give this a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to let this cook down until the mushrooms are cooked and almost dry after they've given up all of their liquid. This will take maybe 5 or 7 minutes. All right, my mushrooms and shallots are all cooked down, so let's keep building this sauce. Our next ingredient is my favorite, garlic. I just have 2 cloves finely chopped. And we're just going to put this in and let it cook for about a minute or 2 until it gets really fragrant. We don't want it to burn. We want to get that flavor going. Okay, garlic's nice and fragrant. I'm going to add a little liquid to this now. We're going to start with some chicken stock. This is 3/4 of a cup, or 177 mils, right in our pan. That's also going to help to glaze the pan of any of those little cooked on browned bits at the bottom. Now I've turned the heat down because next is Marsala wine. Now, what is Marsala wine? This is Marsala wine. This is an Italian fortified wine, and it comes in both the dry and sweet varieties. You can see I have the dry variety here. Now, you might not want to drink this straight because even that is very sweet, but it's wonderful in sauces like this. This is what it looks like, and same amount, 3/4 cup, 177 mils. Now, I've turned the heat down because I'm adding alcohol, and even though that chicken stock is in there, I don't want to take any chances of an unexpected flare-up. Right in. I want to bring this up to a boil. While that comes up to a boil, we're going to add one more thing. We're going to add a bay leaf. Just one. Bay leaf is one of those flavors that when it's not there, you know there's something missing, but you don't know what it is. So we're going to bring this up to a boil. And then we'll cut the heat down, reduce it to a simmer, and we're going to let it simmer until it's all reduced down by half. Okay, my sauce here has reduced down by half. Now, it's not very thick at the moment, but those flavors are really concentrated. Next up, we're going to add some heavy cream. That's going to give lusciousness. It's going to be a little thicker in a little while. Half a cup, 118 mils. Now I want to add some herbage. First, I have 2 teaspoons of finely chopped rosemary. It's very important to use fresh rosemary in this instance because it's going to give better flavor than the dry. Right in. Fresh thyme is next, just 1 teaspoon. Again, I like the fresh over the dried in this instance. I'm going to give this a good stir. And we're going to let this continue to simmer down until it too is reduced by half. All right, our sauce is nice and reduced. It's a little thicker than it was. And how you can tell is when you drag your spoon through, you get a line. All right, I am going to cut the heat on this. I'm going to put the chicken back in. And we're just going to move it around in that sauce and just let it sit for a few minutes to warm through and soak up some of this rich, mushroomy goodness. Wonderful. It's my favorite time for the tasting. Now, I went ahead, I removed the bay leaf from the sauce because no one wants to eat a bay leaf. You just want the flavor. So I'm going to take a little piece of chicken, just like that. And then I'm going to get some of these mushrooms and this luscious sauce right over the top. Why not? Okay. I think a little bright green on there, a little parsley for prettiness sake. So here we are. Let's dive in. Wow. Chicken's nice and tender and juicy, but we get this rich mushroom creamy sauce with all those herbs and garlic in there. It's very complex and very comforting. I think I need to wash it down. Now I'm not drinking the same wine that I put in here. I just have a little white wine today because Marsala wine's a little sweet to drink. All right. If you like this episode, then sign up for our newsletter and you'll get the recipes every week. And while you're at it, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and you'll never miss an episode. So, I'm going to go hide in a dark corner away from my family and devour all of this. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.